Exercise: Operators in Java. Exercise objective: create a program to practice the operators in Java. At the end, we should observe the following. Create a new project. Create operators example project. We open the NetBeans IDE, click on File, a new project. Select Java, Java application, and after that, click on Next. As a project name, we write operators example. We select the project location, in this case courses, Java Fundamentals, Lesson 3. And after that, we click on Finish. With this, we have created the project. So the project has the desired structure. We can see the source packages and the libraries that we have in this project. We create a new class called operators.java. So we right-click on Operators Example Project, click on New, and after that, select Java class. The class name is Operators in Java, the package is Operators, and we can see the full path of this class. Finally, click on Finish. This is the result of the created Java class. We will substitute the code with the following. You can click on the name of the class to download the code. But, as we have told you before, you need to write every line of code that we give you. So first we write package operators, this is the name of the package. After that, we open the class, public class operators in Java. We open the curly brackets. And we write the main method. Little by little, we will study every part of this code. We will study the access modifiers, the word static, the word void, etc. But in this case, to execute this program, we need to write this method as shown. After that, we print to the console arithmetic operators. We do a first operation, adding 1 plus 2, and the result is 3, and assign the result to a variable called a, of type int. After that, we create a variable called b, and this is the result of multiplying a plus 4. In this case, the result of the variable b is 12. After that, we define a variable called c. In this case, this is the result of dividing b between 2, and the result is 6. In this case, the division gives an int result, not float. We will see later how to get a float result in case is necessary. But in this case, the division gives an int result. We declare another variable, in this case called d, and this variable has the result of c minus a, and the result of the variable d is equal to 3. After that, we define a variable called e, and we define the value of the variable d, but in negative. So in this case, the variable e has the value of 3, but in negative. After defining every variable, we log every value into the console. So we print the value of variable a, and as we continue, we print every variable, the variable b, c, d, and e. We will put into practice the module operator. This is the residue of the division. So in this case, we can see that we can use the module operator simply by using a variable, after that the operator mod, and after that another operator. So in this case, we are using the expression a, after that the module operator, and 2. And the result is the residue of the division, in this case 1. So we print 1 in the console. The composite operator, we can see that we can add 2 to the variable a, but it's a simplified syntax. We will see a lot of using this operator in Java, so we have to be sure that we understand this expression. This is the same as declaring the variable a equals a plus 2, so the result is 5. Also, we can use the negative operator, so in this case the value is b equals b minus 4, and the result is equals to 8. Also, we can use the multiply operator using this composite operator, and in this case the value of c is equals to 30. we print the new value of A, the new value of B, a new value of C. And we can see in the console every value of the corresponding operation. Also, we have the increment operator. So we have the variable A, we can use the plus plus operator, and in this case the meaning of this operator is A equals A plus 1. As we print the value, we get the value of 6. Also, we have the pre-increment and decrement operator. This operator is increased before using the value. That's why the name pre-increment. So in this case, the expression first, we pre-increment the value of A and assign it to the variable C. So the result is equals C equals A plus 1, as we are pre-incrementing the value of A. And the result of C is equal to 7. Also, we have the operator of post-increment or post-decrement, and this operator is increased after using the value. So the next time the variable B is used, it's when it's increased. So we can see the expression D equals B plus plus, and the value of the variable D is equals to 8, because the variable B is not incrementing, because we are using post-increment. So the variable B is incremented the next time this variable is used. So if we print the variable B, it prints 9. B was waiting to increase the next time it was used. If we print the variable C, we get 7. If we print the variable D, we get 8. Also, we have relational operators. We can use this expression A is less than B, and the result is that we are checking if 7 is less than 9, and the result is equals to true. So when we are using relational operators, we are assigning a value of type Boolean. If we print the res variable, we print the value of true. We also have the ternary operator. This operator is like an if-else. We will see later this structure, but in this case we first have an expression A less than B, and if this is true, we return the value of A. If not, we return the value of B. So if 7 is less than 9, this is true, so we assign the first value. So the variable min of type int, we assign the value of A. In this case, the value of 7. But if this expression were false, we were assigned the value of B instead of A. That's why this is a simplified expression of if-else structure. So we can use the ternary operator to simplify an if-else. If we print this value, we will get the value of 7. Assignment operator. We can do many assignments at one time. For example, we can assign the value of 100 to the variable k, j, and I. So the three variables are equal to 100. And if we print every variable, we will get the value of 100. So these are the operators that we're putting into practice. We execute our project, we right-click over the class operators in java.java, run file, and the result is as follows. We've already explained every result, but we can check the result to compare it with every operation and every operator that we use in your program. Exercise conclusion. With this exercise, we have put into practice some of the most common operators in Java. For more information about the operators in Java, you can use the following link. In the following exercise, we will see the use of operators precedence.